All right, chins, pull-ups, whatever you want to call them. All right, we got a bar. We're going to pull ourselves up to it. There's a couple things that we need to remember. A couple coaching points here. First one I want to talk about is shoulder integration. Okay, when we do a pull-up, it's more than just bending at the shoulder and the elbow. Okay, like this. We also want to move our shoulder. The position of our shoulder should change. Watch for a second, if you can see this. I'm going to hang from this, and I'm actually going to pull myself up about that far without bending my elbow or flexing at the shoulder. I'm hanging very deeply right now. My shoulders are in my ears. Okay, I bent a little bit on the last one. What's going on though is I'm taking my scapula, my shoulder blades, and I'm going to depress them. And I'm doing that with my arms over my head. So I go from up here in the hang, which is where you should always finish, to there, okay? Now you don't have to do that all right away in the first inch. You could, all right? But it's better to kind of do it as you pull yourself up. So at the very end, you're here, what it looks like from the back, okay? You're here, full hang. So in the end, you're right there. All right, let's take a look at a couple of them from two angles. Full hang, okay? Never stop here. I hate that. I do not like seeing that. Full hang, pull the shoulders down, pull the bar to your chest, lower down. Shoulders in the ears, shoulders away from the ears, pull the bar to your chest, and down. Okay? I'll show you a version of you from the back real quick. Yes, in the high-tech video, that's okay. I'm not a high-tech guy. All right. It's more difficult with your palms away. It's easier with your palms facing you because we can use more of our bicep when our palms are facing us. We're doing one of each on a different day. I believe Wednesday it's palms facing us. Friday it's pronated. This is called supinated or supinated. This is pronated. You can remember like so. Yeah. And then pronated is, I have no idea, you just palms down something. It's not supinated is what it is. Full hang, very important. Shoulder integration. If you want to do a warm-up set and there's no pull-down machine like in our gym and kind of this one, what you can do is you can put your foot on something, I guess. Do kind of like a cheater pull-up. So I might go right here, this the other way. Maybe I'll put my feet out here and then kind of pull myself up like that. Okay? By having some pressure on my feet, I'm making it a little bit easier on my arms. You might want to do that 2, 3, 4, 5 reps, and that's it for your warm-up. You can't scale this weight, so it's going to go from nothing to your working weight, which is your body weight. In the event that you're unable to do as many pull-ups as we're doing on that day, all right, what I want you to do is I want you to hop up there, okay, using like the sidebar, and then hold yourself 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think those 4 pauses, you know what, if you get 3, whatever. All right. Point is, you're doing 3 or 4 pauses of about 4 seconds on the way down. Okay. I want you starting as high as you can. Start with that bar as close to your chest as possible and try and hold it right there. Okay. Now, to be able to do the number of pull-ups and not do those negatives, all right, I want you to be able to bring your body all the way up and then slowly lower to a 4 count as well. So if the only way that you can get 6 pull-ups or 8 pull-ups is right here, okay, do negatives for a while, okay, with the lowering progression, all right, and that's what I got to say about chins and pull-ups.